Yeah, okay, all of you. Welcome back to Digital Tech Solutions. So, in the last session, in the day one session, what aspects we discussed? I give the summary. So, in that, where actually we discussed about what is JavaScript, and we discussed about okay JavaScript features. What are the JavaScript features we have, and next how to integrate JS files, how many ways how to integrate JS files into pages. Okay, yeah, these are the areas which we discussed in the last session. These are the areas which we discussed in the last session. Okay, very good. Now we can go ahead, today we can go ahead and then we can start with referring HTML elements using JavaScript. So this is the today topic, guys. So generally in this there is a one diagram. This is the DOM diagram, and this is same everywhere. Okay, where I can open a new tab. Yeah, see here. So window is the parent for all. Window is the parent, remaining all elements: document, frames, location, history, okay, navigator, an array of all forms, images, everything. Okay, window is the parent. For example, if you want to access the forms, so in that case, how you can able to access window dot, where I can try it here, window dot document dot, can mention as forms, we can mention at index position 0 and all like that, we can able to access. So this is hierarchy is coming. This is the backend diagram actually. Window dot document dot forms, document dot forms. Okay, so here the point is JavaScript can refer HTML elements by using DOM hierarchy. By using DOM hierarchy. Okay, fine. Next, this is the diagram which I can upload to the class as well. So after this session, I can upload to the class drive as well. You guys please go through that and then uh, you can see there itself. Okay. Next point is elements in page are arranged in DOM hierarchy. Arranged in DOM hierarchy. Okay. Next, DOM comprises of root and child elements. Root and child elements. Next, where we have the window, and so in this window we have the hierarchy. It should be like this: document, and we have the location. Okay, like this. Okay, fine. Now here you can access elements by using DOM hierarchy. You can access elements by using DOM hierarchy. DOM hierarchy. Okay. DOM hierarchy. Okay, fine. How you can access like this? Window dot document dot images. So like this we can able to add, for example, which is if you want to access through forms, so in that case it should be like this: window dot document dot images. And if you want to access through forms, so in that case it should be like this: window dot document dot forms dot elements. It should be like this. Okay, it should be like this. I hope you guys are clear with my statement, what I'm saying, right? Okay. Okay, so I can show you one example itself. You can get the better clarity on it, what I'm saying and all. So for example, here I'm taking one evening batch. Here I'm taking the file name called mm, create new file. I am mentioning as the reference.html is the file name I would like to mention. Okay, so in this file already the basic tags of each page. This I would like to open this one, and in that HTML and where. Okay, so this we need to close the HTML tag, and in that we have the edit tag, and I close the head tag as well and body tag as well, and here also I'm closing the body tag as well. Okay, fine. Yeah, now the thing is you can able to access the. So here I can mention, I can add the I can create. Before that, what would we can do? So here basically I would like to take some registration form. Okay, so registration form, where I would mention h1 dot h1 or ht. You can mention as some website which is fashion store. Okay, fine. So, and in this where I would like to take, there are two forms actually, div tag and so here I would like to take the one username and where I would like to take the image. Okay, and this is the title. So under this title I would like to take one registration form. So generally we know already forms concept in HTML, right? So here I would like to mention form. So inside I would like to take the input where I would mention type is a text, or directly can mention as type. I can mention like as type equal to text. Okay, yeah, okay, fine. Okay, image is okay, and here we can mention like image width equal to I would like to mention some 200 pixels, and height equal to some here also I would like to mention some 300 pixels, and I would like to mention border. I would like to mention border as well. So this you would mention within a double quotation. This I would like to mention some 200, and here also I would like to mention some 300. And here I would like to mention some border. Some border is also I would like to mention some 2 pixels. Okay, fine. Now this I can save this one, and then I would like to open this one, then we can able to see how that is coming and all. Mm, this is the file I can open with. Yeah, see how this is coming. File store some is coming. Okay, now here the input type is where I would mention input type. This is the text. This is the text. This is the text. Okay, and here again I would like to take input type equal to where I would like to take button. Hmm? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Next, where I would mention, yeah. Now, this is what this is. This is a registration form. So where I would like to take this as registration form. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So we can see up to this. If I can reload this one. Yeah, this one, how we can access this image. So simply what I am doing, images. Okay, so I can take one of the peak. Here's the better. Mhm. Okay, we can take any of the peak. For example, here I would like to take this one. So simply I can save the image. So you can save in desktop, and there is our project now. The project called evening batch, JS evening batch. Mm, yeah, this go inside. So here you can create one more folder itself. Create folder, mention folder name called some pics, and go inside. So here you can mention the name, any name you can mention. I would like to mention like something wm.jpg. Okay, fine. Yeah. So now, okay, now here I need to load that image from there to here. That how you can load that one? That you can load using hmm, using referring HTML elements. So generally where you can write a script elements, take a script and mention script elements, and inside you can able to mention so here you can add one event called event onload. Onload equal to body load. This is the class name which I am adding, body load. Okay, fine. Now here I would like to take the method called function body load. Okay, body load, and this is the scope of. Then here I would like to mention document dot images. Okay, so where exactly is this here? Like there is a document, right? Document dot mesh. Okay, so simply document dot window dot document dot image. Okay, so the index position of this one is 0. It will be available at index position 0 dot src equal to, where exactly this is available now. So there we have the folder called pics, and in that we have the wm dot jpeg. That's it now. Okay, yes, yes, you can save this one, and you can reload this one. Yeah, you can see here the image is coming because of we referring through elements. Next we will have div. Under the div we have the this input. No, for this input also we need to write some logic, which I would say window. Based on this image you can able to write, there is a image, right, which window document forms element dot document dot forms. So for this one, this is 0 and this is 1. No, so for which one we want to add the value? Forms first form, which means this is the 0, and dot this is element. No, we can mention like as the element, and this is the element of form 0, and this is the element 0 and 1 dot value equal to, where I would mention like register. Okay, fine. Okay, now you can go and then see the diagram of that. Reload, which means this is not accessing properly. We can also get across window dot document dot forms 0. This is the forms now, where we mention the forms. This is the form, and where we also mention form element. Everything is matters, guys. Everything is matters. So once again, you can pause it. Window dot document dot forms 0 element 1 register register. Okay, fine. That's okay. We will get the exact one. Mm, window dot document dot forms dot element dot value then you can able to reload. Save the file. Mm, document dot forms. That is okay. Now the diagram, you can go and then check the diagram. Document forms elements. Save this one. Come to here and reload this one. Reload this one. Now you can able to get that. So what I'm saying here is everything is matters. Everything is matters. Yeah. So this is the one way to referring the elements. So in the referring elements where we have the we can refer through class, we can refer through ID. Okay, we can refer through selectors, and we have the Java output techniques also. So these we can cover in the next session. So that's it today, guys. We'll be on tomorrow. Thank you all of you. So this is the referring elements. So this referring elements basically what I would say, there are we can refer through class, we can refer through ID, we can refer through selector. So how we can refer these all the things that we can see in the morning itself. Okay, morning I would take the session, and then as soon as possible we can complete the javascript. Okay, tutorials. Okay, yeah, there are javascript output techniques as well. So these all the things we can see one by one. Okay, yeah, so that's it today, guys. So thank you all of you. So coming days, what I do now, I can create a one WhatsApp community group where all the coming peoples also they will be added to that group. If you guys have any issues with related to IT, which means like if you are doing in I would say any real time handling the laptops, everything, if you stuck while doing any tickets on door, if you stuck anywhere while doing, so you can ping me in that group. So our team will be assisting you. So this is the thing. uh okay, I'm thinking. So that's it, guys. So as soon as possible, what we can do, we can make the videos as soon as possible as JS and React JS as well. And so continuously like morning and evening, so daily the classes will be there. So if anyone, if I would say daily the batches will be there like morning and evening. So this is how I'm planning. So that's it today, guys. We'll meet you on tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you all of you. Stop.